Hey you guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today we have this really pretty wig that comes to us from Ayiyi Hair, and they supplied us with a 360 wig. This wig is so pretty, you guys. I have taken my time and went through and put some curls in her. I was going for a very chic Michelle Obama look. So if you guys are interested in getting all the information on this really pretty wig, then stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review on this wig that was sent to me from, I want to say, Ayiyi Hair. So they sent me this 360 wig, and I did have to do a little bit of work to get it this way. In honor of Miss Michelle Obama's barrel curl going viral hair, I went ahead on and I styled it in that particular style. So I loved her hair. It's like more like a Hollywood glam, easy, leaving the hairdresser looking just fabulous. So she always looks good. She always looks great. A while back, I ended up doing a Michelle Obama look, I want to say with a Zuri Sis wig, but this one here is a human hair wig, and like I said, it is a 360. So let's go ahead on and get into the particulars. I'm going to, so this is the website, and like I said, I hope I'm pronouncing their name correctly. They do have a lot of different wigs, human hair wigs, and they are like pretty affordable, you guys. So definitely give them a check out. So the wig that we have is going to be this 360 wig. It is a bone straight, but what I wanted to do is put some curls in it to give us a different look. So that is what I did. The hair does come really thick. I think mine is 108% density. I will leave everything in the description box below. So I did want to show you the goodie bag that they had in there. It did come in this box, which is really pretty. And then it came, they gave me like this goodie bag. So they have a couple different things that they end up putting in there. They end up putting these lashes in there, which are really pretty. I thought about wearing them with the hair, but of course I just went to my favorite, my go-tos. You also get a couple other things in there. You get a brush, and you get a little clip. They gave me wig cap, and they also gave me this really pretty headband, which I like. So let's go ahead on and let's so I have already taken this wig and washed it, bleached the knots, and everything, and then I put some curls in it. So I'm gonna go ahead on and put it on. So this wig is a 360. So I'm just showing you guys before I put it on how my hair is. My hair is not down really tight. It's just a really good. I have a black cap on. I have my braids pulled into a ponytail, and then I put a wig grip on. I'm not sure if I'm going to glue this down or anything like that. So that's why I'm kind of talking through it. I know I already showed you guys the inside of it. So I'm going to put it on first and then mark it and then cut it. 360s can be a lot to do on your own. So that's why I'm showing you this part. So I'm going to slide it on and push that piece up. Do the old flip back. And then I'm going to pull it down. Now I'm pulling it down to see basically where it comes and where I want to cut at by my ear. This is the front of this, and this is the hairline when I was done with it. I did dye this wig black, so it did get some of the tint. I feel like it did get on the wig, on the lace, so that's why the lace is dark. It did not come this way. So let me see how I want it, because I did this on the mannequin head. I didn't do it on myself. So let's see. This is where the split is for the 360. I was trying to see if it was going to line up directly behind my ear or by my ear. It looks like it's lining up behind my ear. So let's get some clips and go in here. I'm probably going to have to put some more curls in it. I just went ahead and put a few in there because I just felt like, okay, let's go ahead on and get, you know, that out of the way. So let's get some scissors. I usually like to use my smaller scissors. So I'm cutting up right there so I can get plenty in the front. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just kind of go up and just kind of cut, which I might have cut it up a little bit too far on that side. I'm not really sure, which I think I did. So that's that. And then cut the middle. From here, I'm going to take the wig off and then I'm going to cut the lace because I just wanted to mark it. And once I do that, then I'll show you guys how to put it on and come back to you at the end to give you guys my pros and my cons. Okay, you guys, so this is the wig on, and as you can see, I just went in and just pretty much put the wig on and I cut the lace off. So once I cut the lace off, I started to see how I wanted to do the hairline. Now I will tell you, I tinted this with some black tint. Now the tint or dye, the one that I used was semi-permanent, so it wasn't like a permanent dye. That's just in case I wanted to change it or do something with the wig later. But I do think that it did dye the lace a little bit, so just keep that in mind when you are doing the watercolor method. So the next thing that I did was decide whether I was going to glue this down. I did not glue it down, so I'm so grateful that this actually fit me really well. I've had 360s before that were not as good as this one. Like, I'm really impressed with the way this one fit. It fit perfect without me having to like really pull on it too much or anything. I do think that the wig grip did help with that. So all I had to do, since I had already like pre-curl the hair on the mannequin head, is I went in and I spruced up the curls just a little bit, and then I worked on the hairline. So I just want to show you guys, it doesn't take much to like curl this hair. I sprayed it a little bit, went in, and then like I said, I just made the curls a little bit tighter to give us that tight glam look. So I did not curl I just curled, the base of the hair, just like I said, so that once it drops, it's going to be more like a body wave, and it's going to be really, really pretty. So the hair is really soft, and what I'm showing you is the two sides. That's the side that's been curled for like maybe a week, just sitting on the mannequin head, and how it dropped. And once I, pushed it all together or like ran my hands through it, it just looked like a body wave at the end. This hair, you can straighten it, but like I said, I thought it looked really good and made it look fuller with the curls in there, and just maybe kind of glammed it up a little bit. Now you can also go in the front if you know what side you want to wear your part on, and go ahead and cut it up or trim it a little bit. I just left it long, and I'm gonna just push it back. You guys will see that pretty much at the end. But like I said, I just want you guys to see the curls. All in all, this wig fits so good. I really like it. I think they did a good job on the wig, on the cap construction and everything. It fits my head, and I always have a struggle because I have a big head and my edges come out. So just stay tuned, you guys. You're gonna want to hear some of my pros and cons when it comes to this unit. Okay, you guys, so this is going to be the final look for this wig, and you guys, can we say yes, sis, yes, come through. So I did have to do a couple things in order to get this look. The first thing, when I got this wig, I did not like that the color was more like a number 2 than a number 1. So I did go in with my rinse, and I did do a rinse on this, and I think that the rinse came out really good. So I did do the watercolor method with this with some black rinse, and I'm super glad that I did, because the wig came out, it really took to the hair, and it just came out really pretty. Now I do feel like it did tint a little bit of the lace, but I did go in with some of my Physicians formula when it came to that, and I think that it came out okay. So getting into particulars about this wig, it fit me really, really well. I absolutely love the way that the wig fits. The 360 in the back, I do have a video or maybe 2 on my channel that shows you how to put the 360 down. I didn't use the 360 obviously because I'm wearing the hair down, but it did sit really nice at my neck. So if you guys want to use the 360, obviously you can. It fits very snug too, not too tight, because under here I do have on a wig grip, and I also have on a stocking cap under here, so, and it's not like really, really tight. Another thing I like about this, it fits so well that I didn't have to glue this down. I just sprayed down right here where I wanted to put a couple of baby hairs or edges or whatever, just to give it the fresh from the salon look, and it did work out really well. Love the texture on this hair. It holds a curl. As I probably already explained, I had already went in and curled the hair, and I had it on my mannequin head probably for about a week. So of course the curls just became like loose waves, and then once I seen her barrel curls, I was like, girl, let's go ahead on and get them tighter. So I did go in with just an electric curling iron. This one here, I have it on like between, I think, 380 and 400, and I just barrel curled it with that, and I think it came out so cute. Like, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up on this. It's super pretty, guys. Like, this hair is gorgeous, so I absolutely love it. I really don't have any cons with it. I think that the texture is good, the volume is good, the way that this hair feels is amazing. I mean, it's so soft. It's so soft that when I put the curls in and start going through it, I was like, oh, they're not gonna hold, because I didn't want them to be too hard, and I probably should have like put a little more spray on there. But this, you guys, it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. I will leave all the information below for purchasing like I said, I think I'm pronouncing the name right, and it's AI or AI. I think that's it. So I will definitely leave all the information below for you guys to purchase this wig because it's super, super cute, and I absolutely love, love, love the wig and love the quality of it. So let's talk about it in the comment section below. Is this something you will wear to an event, or would you wear this hair just any time? Because these barrel curls just say yes, yes, yes. I have arrived. They say I have arrived, girl. I love these barrel curls. Thanks again to the company for sending this over because, girl, we got this look. It's super, super cute, and I absolutely just love it. It just makes you want to just go out. It just makes you want to celebrate. So if you guys have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Return subscribers and YouTube babes. Hey girl, hey, how y'all doing? Thanks for pulling up and always supporting. I appreciate you over here on the channel. How to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform. Don't forget to tag me in it. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beautiebymark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.